Hi guys, okay. Hey my know-how queens, how you ladies doing? If y'all haven't went shopping on your spring-ism, y'all need to go do some spring-ism shopping, okay? Let me fix my little scarf real quick. This video for you, I can't be looking too busted, not early in the morning. Anyway, so quickly, Victoria's Secret haul. I got my favorite pomegranate lotion. I got my pomegranate scrub, pomegranate lotus spray. I got the Daring spray is really good. It's good. Smells good too. She just a layer. And I got $20 off, girls. They give me y'all $20 off, 50 plus purchase, free full size mist or lotion. Go get y'all some. Anyway, guys, I want to say these right here are good. They didn't have the spray for this, but I got this. Bye. See y'all in my next video.